So I use these two products from the Body Shop, the Skin Clearing Facial Wash and the Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner, part of their tea tree line, obviously. Starting with the facial wash, one thing this is kind of like a jelly. That's the best way I would describe it. Like, it's different from the aloe that I use, where it was like where I use the foam and the facial. Well, I haven't uploaded the facial wash yet, but the aloe facial wash is more like a lotion, but this is more of like a gel kind of facial wash. But I really like it. One thing I will say is that when you put it on, it instantly starts making your skin feel like it starts tingling. It makes your skin feel really cool. Like in my T-zone right here, it feels I can still feel it like when it was on my skin. As you can see, it works into like a lather, but it's more tough, I guess I would say, because it's not like it doesn't loosen up. It kind of like thickens as you put it on your skin, if that makes sense. But I do like it. It made my skin feel really, really refreshed. I am using this at nighttime because I figure throughout the day you're doing stuff, you're encountering all the stuff, your skin is your face is exposed, besides right now because we all have masks on, but even more you have the mask holding everything in. So I'm using it at nighttime, but I really like it. As far as the toner goes, the toner, it feels like mint to me. So like, yeah, that's the best way I can describe it. It's very, very cooling. Like if you've ever had a peppermint and you drank some water right after, that's exactly what this toner feels like, in my opinion, as soon as you put it on. And I mean, it doesn't feel like it left my skin feeling really wet or anything like that. With the aloe toner, it kind of was, but this one, it didn't make my skin feel wet or anything like that. It just felt, complete, I guess, if that makes sense. It didn't feel wet, it didn't feel too dry or anything like that. It just felt, balanced. But my skin feels amazing, if I do say so myself. And yeah, I'll leave links in the description box as to where you can get this. This is supposed to be really good for blemished skin, and it was recommended to me also to use this at nighttime. But excuse me, I really, really like these. As I already said, I'll leave the links down in the description as to where you can get them, but you can also purchase them in store. That's where I got them. I got them in store. And that's it for this video. I will see you all in the next one.